Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Uh, as everyone is taking freedom of speech so serious, so let me have my opinion as well. I was just looking at the conversation between Arnab Goswami and many other panelists over the rule implemented to all universities, central university, to host the national flag, and they have some problem regarding it. So let me clear them. अबे गधों के बच्चों, उल्लू के पट्ठों, तुम्हें नेशनल फ्लैग होस्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो क्यों नहीं ऐसे करते कि तुम इंडिया छोड़ के चले जाओ ना। हमें वैसे भी तुम जैसे लोगों की ज़रूरत है ही नहीं। और तुमसे भी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम मुझे आज ये दिखी कि एक प्रोफेसर, यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रोफेसर, ये बोल रहा है कि वी हैव प्रॉब्लम होस्टिंग द फ्लैग, इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग ऑन आवर बिल्डिंग जस्ट बिकॉज इट इन्फिल्ट्रेट आर ऑपरेशंस। अब मतलब इट यू नीड टू थिंक, मतलब तुम एक अकेडमिशियन हो, तुम प्रोफेसर हो, योर वर्क इज़ टू प्रोवाइड द कंट्री विद द प्रोडक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स विच मेक आर कंट्री टू नेक्स्ट लेवल। और तुम ऐसे तरह के जवाब दे रहे हो। आई आई श्योर टू गॉड, अगर तुम्हारे जैसे और दो चार प्रोफेसर और इंडिया में अगर हो जाए ना, तो इंडिया का वैसे ही प्रोग्रेस नहीं हो सकता। मोदी आ जाए चाहे मोदी के भी अंकल आ जाए, इंडिया प्रोग्रेस कर ही नहीं सकता। तो मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ इतनी बात का एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, प्लीज़ इफ़ यू डोंट हैव माइंड, प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट। Please don't make you know ridiculous comments like this. We Indians love our flag a lot. We don't mind them putting them on our building, on our chest. We feel proud. And I don't know about you, but I will feel proud if I'm on my dead body there is a national flag. I don't know about you guys, but every Indian sees this as their dream, and we would like to pursue that. Please, stupid fellows like you, leave India. Or if you want to stay in India, I don't want to say you that please raise slogans like Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki jai. Please don't do that if you don't want to. Plus please, but at the same point of time, if you're trying to do anything against our national flag, national integrity, national unity, the things will go worse for you. It will not go worse for us. We love our nation and we love our national flag. That flag gives us the pride. That flags give us the sense of duty towards the nation. That flag gives us the responsibility that what we are to our nation and what we are supposed to do for our nation. So kindly keep your opinions which are ridiculous, baseless and illogical to yourself. We are not interested to listen to them. And another reply from an Indian to any of those professor or any other person in India who says that Indian flag should not be hosted at any university or anything. I request to government, please go ahead, make that compulsory mandate for all the buildings. Let it be for university, let it be any kind of institute which is getting funded from national government or state government, because that money is not belongs to any individual. It is the money which is being paid by one of me, any taxpayer outside. So if that money is only for my nation. So if those institutions have problem to the nation, to the nation, to my national flag, kindly restrict them, take all the subsidies back. I would be happy to utilize those subsidies for my brothers and sisters which actually need that. So I would request the Indian government to take the subsidies back if they don't want to, if they have any kind of problem to hoist the national flag. And also, if they have any problem, my name is Sahil. I can be found anywhere on the social network. You can find me, talk with me, and I will request Arnab Goswami or anybody, please don't allow these kind of ridiculous statements by anybody on your national TV, because we are very hurt, we are very emotional with our our nation, and we will not tolerate these kind of stupidity. In the last, I would just say thank you for hearing this video, and Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.